Hi guys, today we are going to show you CSR. What is the CSR means? Starting, running and common. So some compressor are showing CSR like that one, but some compressor not showing like that one. So we are find out how to what is the CSR in climameter. So today we are showing how to find the CSR. CSR means starting, running, common. So sometimes we are changing the CSR, it will be getting high amps. So now we are showing uh, now we are showing this one is this. Now value is 2.2. Now we are checking lowest value because we are find out first one common. So now lowest value, which one is there? Next one. So this one is a high 3.6. Then later last one is, which one is there? 2.0, 1.36. This one is common. So now we are find out the common. So this one is 2.1. 1.5. This is common. We are already find out this one is the lowest one. Then this one, so this one 2.1, and this one 1.5. So this one is highest. So this one is starting, and this one is low.